O, nagkainitan mga kababayan yung mga congressmen. Actually, ang nag-init man lang po, ang umusok si Sagip Party List arrogante pala. Rodante Marcoleta kasi gustong i-railroad po yung yung budget hearing ni Inday. Gusto mga kababayan, i-terminate na po yung hearing, yung discussion. Approve na agad, hindi pumayag yung mga congressmen. Kaya po nagka-world war, nagkainitan po.
Nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Naawa sa init ng ulo ni Inday si Rodante. Yung pangalan niya, mga kababayan, na Rodante, naging arrogante. At yung party list niya, mga kababayan, naging Sagip Inday party list. Nadagdagan po yung Sagip party list, naging Sagip Inday party list. Gustong i-approve without thinking. Mabuti may mga magigiting tayo na mga congressmen na gustong sabihin, mga kababayan, kailangan may tama tayong paggamit ng pondo. Hindi po maipaliwanag kung paano nilusay. Ginastos yung kwarta ng Office of the Vice President, lalo na po yung confidential fund. Hindi lang yung sa OBP, pati yung sa DepEd. O ito ngayon yung taga-Sagip Party List, Congressman Rodante, nakipag-bulyawan sa ang taas-taas na ng boses ni Rodante. Rodante pala. Yan po, tumayo na siya. Pakinggan po natin yung live balitaktakan pag-init ng ulo ni Rodante Marcoleta sa live feed ng Congress kanina. Committee on Appropriation. Yan, dali lang po.
The Honorable Marcoleta, please repeat your inquiry.
Yes, in connection to the earlier parliamentary inquiry, Madam Chair, I have already related the value of tradition. Parliamentary procedures, Madam Chair, grow from or are enriched by traditions, experiences, and precedents collectively gathered by the House of Representatives over years, and the institution keeps them well. That is why, from my entry in 2004 or the 13th Congress until today, I have observed the observance of that well-kept tradition. The two highest positions in government, namely the office of the President and the office of the Vice President, were duly accorded with respect and deference. I have observed that. That's why I have relayed to you earlier in 2022, the Honorable Libanan, invoking courtesy, took him only 13 minutes to dispose the office of the Vice President. And that was quickly moved, quickly seconded by no less than our majority leader. That was in 2022. I'm not going by record, Madam Chair. 2023, I said, no less than the presidential son, our own senior deputy majority leader, stood up and said that in line with the time-honored tradition of according courtesy to the office of the Vice President, I move to terminate the budget briefing of the OBP. And I can recall the Honorable Castro strongly objected. No, that's in 2023. This is by the record. And she objected, but her objections were rejected by the committee because the committee already terminated the proceedings. And she kept on requesting, Madam Chair, that she makes at least her manifestation. And she was unable to do that because the proceedings were terminated. So that, what I am saying, from 2004, when I entered this whole...
Yung full story ng balitang yan, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ang ating video. At huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng Bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, Aleco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas, contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan po yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Yan po mga bagong clients namin. Napakaganda at colorful at napakalinis ng aming gym po. Pati mga foreigners po pumupunta sa amin, mga British tourist po sila dito sa Legazpi. Na-set up na rin po yung aming mga brand new gym equipment. May treadmill na rin po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses and affected area. Mahinam po sa paninigas na mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Nengsa Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravillas.
Resolute holes. Hanggang punto sa sinasabi kong 2023, we have kept the tradition. Ngayon po, kung ano-ano ng mga tanong ang ginawa. In 2023, 22 minutes. 2022, 13 minutes. Ito po, pinagawa yan na po yung budget earlier at ngayon we're about to quarrel again on the budget. Ang tanong ko nga po ngayon, dahil nga po sa nangyayari ngayon sa budget ng Office of the Vice President, and despite her manifestation that she will no longer defend their budget because she forgo, sabi niya, I will forgo my opportunity to defend the budget of the OBP for 2025 by way of question and answer, and I will leave to the House of Representatives to decide such proposal as presented. We cannot even accept such kind of answer, Madam Chair. What do we need her to articulate for? So ang pinag-uusapan po natin, wala na po ba yung respeto sa tradisyon na yun? Kagaya po ng binabanggit ko, every time mag-interpellate po dito, Madam Chair, because of that tradition, it's always the member of the minority who will start the interpellation because we have kept that tradition. Ang dami po. Ang dami ko pang sasabihin sa inyo, haba lang tayo. So the question is, when we did that to the Vice President earlier, now we're doing it now, are we now setting aside this tradition? That's number one question. Number two, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition?
Your Honor, short answer is no to both questions.
Okay. If that is the answer, Madam Chair, and we are all bound to respect one tradition so sacred in our hearts, because we are called honorables in this house. We cannot be honorables if we cannot honor our own tradition. We are defined by what we believe as a tradition in this house. So if we are now all amenable that we have kept that tradition, no longer questions are being asked, then I will respectfully move, Madam Chair, to terminate the budget of the OBP for 2025.
I object, Madam
Thank
Chair.
you.
I object.
Objection, Your Honor.
Madam Chair, I
There's
object.
a motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, but there is an objection, so we divide the House. The chair has decided to divide the House. So those
Madam Chair,
in favor
as
of the motion,
a rule, we usually deliberate before we vote.
those in favor
We deliberate.
of the motion, please raise your hand. Those in favor of the motion to terminate the budget briefing of the OVP, please raise your hand.
3 votes.
All those against.
Those who are not in favor of terminating, raise your hand.
Tatlo lang yung pabor.
For non-tradition.
Majority, ayaw. Majority rule, siyempre. Democracy. Landslide. Ayaw nilang i-terminate.
45.
3 in favor, 45 against.
3 in favor, 45 against.
Motion is
The motion
lost.
is
Lost.
lost.
Madam Chair,
Talo.
we have kept the tradition. The tradition is no longer ask any question. That was the tradition. So why are you voting against the motion?
Next.
The majority of the will
It's-
is
it's-
always respect.
It's
The will of the
inconsistent
majority
with
is
the
always
tradition that
respected.
we have already agreed to observe.
So we will
Yes, Madam
proceed
Chair.
to the next.
You mentioned earlier that we will keep up the tradition. You said no. Earlier,
For
no,
orderly
we voted
proceedings, I
against.
remind the members to please wait to be recognized before speaking. So, the chair now recognizes the
Madam
budget
Chair.
sponsor, the Honorable Zia Adyong, to give a recap of what transpired in the last hearing.
Madam Chair,
Thank you.
So, talo, mga kababayan sa botohan si Rodante. Rodante pala. Marcoleta. Uminit yung ulo po. Sa demokrasya po, majority rule. Ayaw paawat ni Rodante po. Ayan o.
Office of the President, Vice President, kung ano ang pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining.
Uminit yung ulo ni
It was
Rodante.
It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon?
We are looking at the office, not the person.
Motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the
High
office of
blood
the
si
Vice
Rodante
President.
po.
That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa Office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may brati-bratinela pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Panglabing 7 taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Walang man lang...
You can read the records. We did not introduce it.
Nag-motion siya ngayon.
What is
Yung status, the first thing is that is the manifestation of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. If a motion, then after that, Marcoleta will vote that motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot eh? We will let just Marcoleta to speak.
Si Paduano po siya, sasalita.
Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung point niya.
The chair will answer.
Yes, you can introduce a motion, but have a member.
No. Before we move a motion, parliamentary na tayo.
The rulings of the chair form parts of the precedence of this committee and of the House. So you have to answer the question.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move. Mag-move.
Okay, settle. Yes.
Naging parang market na po. Nawaan ni Inday po sa init ng ulo. Talagang yung mga magkakapusit po, pare-parehas ang ugali, mga arugante. Hawa-hawa po.
Paano yung binigay man na tinatanong ko? Pira naman natin.
Kita ninyo ang mga ugali ng mga taga-nausog. Walang civility po. Di ba? Pare-parehas ang ugali. Bakit anya, Mr. Maravillas? Tama naman yung punto ni Marcoleta. Bakit noon hindi tinanong? Wala pa man pong ginagastos si Inday noon. Kauupo pa lang. Tama? Na-found out po ng Commission on Audit ang daming irregularities. May mga disallowances po. 73 million disallowed. Paano hindi po sisiin ng Congress? Nasili po yung mga salamangka. Tama po? O ngayon, yung mga sinasabi nila, inaakusan nila sa Kongreso, hindi mo pera yan. Accusing Romualdez, si Speaker, bumuelta ngayon kay Inday. Hindi mo pera yan. Kaya binubusisi po ng Congress, nakitaan po ng mga salamangka. Ito si Marcoleta, mga kababayan.
Why would the members answer that?
Galit na galit po.
We don't have the authority to speak. Why the chairman only speak? Di ba may pwede salita? We are also member just the same.
Kulang na lang mag-rumble po.
Alam mo yun? Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. Not only the
Ito
chairman.
naman magsasalita lagi.
Well, but he nagsalita na kayo. Pero ang tumakol. Pwede mo.
Ayaw magpaliwanag si Inday kung paano ginastos yung pera.
Pwede mo yung danbes? Saan parliamentary procedure in the House that the members can speak? Pwede. Diba?
Nakita ninyo mga kababayan? Ngayon, doon po sa pagpa-interview ni Inday, imbes na mag-attend ng committee hearing, budget hearing ng Office of the Vice President, kung saan inaakusan niya yung Congress na dalawa lang na tao daw. Akala ko nga ang tinutumbok niya yung ating Pangulo at saka si Martin. Ang tinatumbok niya pala na dalawang tao lang daw ang nagdidikta ng budget, referring pala kay Chairman Saldico ng Committee on Appropriations. Saka siyempre si Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez. Sinagot ngayon ito, mga kababayan, ni Congressman Saldico ng Ako Bicol. Ito po yung interview ng mainstream media through Inquirer. Pakinggan po natin.
Sa interview ni Pinky, talagang diretsa na niyang sinabi, ikaw lang daw, si Speaker, may hawak ng budget.
Kasi una, again, pambubudol na naman po yan. Napakalaking pambubudol. Akala nila ang taong bayan hindi Matalino po. Sagutin po natin yan. Una-una po, ang miyembro po ng appropriations is around 139. Ang vice chair po is around 56. Ang congressman po is 300. Meron po tayong mga senador na 24. Meron pong miyembro ng Bicameral Conference Committee after the budget deliberation ng House and Senate. Meron pa pong BICAM na mag-uusap ang dalawang from upper chamber and lower chamber. Almost 30 po ang nag-attend yan. So, hindi po totoo yan. Kung nagagawa niya po yan sa Davao, sa confidential fund na lustayin in 11 days, ang 2.6 o 2.9 billion, kayang-kaya niya rin yan gawin pag siya po ang nakaupo at ang kanyang mga pananakot sa aming mga kongresista, hindi na po ito dapat palagpasin. Sila po, mamaya, mag-meeting ko kami ng APRO, we will have a more.
Sabi po ni Congressman Saldico, talaga pong tatak Duterte na yata ang pambobodol.